Hello friends, welcome to Salesforce CRM Analytics video session 109. So basically in today's video, we will try to understand the application of Flatten Node, the application of Flatten Node towards user growth. So basically earlier we understood the application of Flatten Node based on the account hierarchy, like we have the top account, and finally wanted to get the ultimate. Then today we will understand how that application happens in the user role. I will take a very simple example, and probably with that example, I will help you to understand how that user role functions quickly, and after that, we can like deep more into that. And so, first of all, let me walk you through that role hierarchy. Okay. Sorry, roles. Yeah. So basically, under setup, you have something called as roles. Okay, so maybe I can just write second roles. Okay. Now here if you see, this is the way the roles are. By default, it's there. I haven't added anything. So this is the ultimate way which is defined. So basically, we have the sales India and sales, and they are the ones who are reporting. So when it's on the same vertical, as you can see now, sales data and sales India are on the same verticals. Now both of them are reporting to somebody called sales WW. Okay. So the sales WW and CIO, they are also on the same vertical hierarchy. It's like sales senior and sales are reporting to sales WW and CIO maybe. And sorry, sales WW here because it's falls in sales. And the CIO is also on the same level. Maybe I can add few more roles over here. That's fine, but I'm not disturbing the hierarchy is already there. And finally, the sales WW and CIO, they are reporting to this person called CEO. Okay. So the CEO, under that we have the CIO and sales and CW, we have the sales and sales. Now, who is the ultimate parent, if you say, of sales email, is nothing but CEO, right? So this whole thing we actually kind of analyze in something called as user role. So there's an object we have in Salesforce which is user role. So if I just run an export on this, so as you can see here, like these are the name, okay, these are the ID, and let me check out the parent role ID, and also let me check out the parent role name. Okay. So as you can see here, these are the parent role name. Okay, so for example, for CEO there's no one, or CIO, who is the parent of CIO? It's nothing but CEO. Okay, so that's what we can see over here as the parent of CIO is CEO, and who is the parent of sales? Sales WW, and who is the parent of sales WW? It's CEO. The parent of sales WW is nothing but CEO. Okay, parent of sales CIO is CEO. Okay, who is the parent of sales? It is sales WW. So this is the way in which it continues basically. This is the hierarchy, and the same hierarchy we can use the application of Flatten Node and we can bring it just like the way we brought in for account. Okay? So what I will do is I will quickly go to Analytics Studio and I will take the reference of whatever we did on the account hierarchy for the Flatten Node in account hierarchy. And by taking the reference, I will show you how we can use that same concept on the user. We can also do for the territory hierarchy, but yeah, for today's session, let's concentrate on the user. So I will go to this data manager, and here I will go to this manage data flow. And let me first of all open that last data flow which we did. I think it is 10. Session 10. So under this free session 10, we build up that hierarchy. What we do is we create a new data flow, and we will name it free session. We can create and first I will create the user role again. And I will select the skills which I require. I will just make the ID and it will make parent role ID and I will make the name. And I think that will be the way of making this. Yes. And with the user role, the next part what I will do is like what I can do is probably I can duplicate this tab take this stuff. Like this might be session 11 and the and on the session point, just like the way I will follow the same process. So I will go for a flatten node now and clear the manifest. Something like that. And the source will be a video. And field will be ID, parent will be parent full ID. Yeah. And the parent yeah. Let me write it this. Account identity, usable identity, and remains user. After let me write it. Ultimately, let me enable this field. Okay. And after that, of course, I will go for a complete expression to create ultimate code. So source will be Flatten Node over here, and let me just add a field over here. And now here, of course, the expression will be slightly different. So what I'm going to do is here, I will just click on create. So here, let me do this. And stay. Now, what I will do is basically instead of parent role, as I know, I have to put this ultimate role. So I will just put this ultimate role. Instead of parent, ultimate parent, after that, the expression remains the same because you know the ID is always 18-digit character, so it exactly follows the same process which I explained for the parent. And finally, we have the ultimate where we are augmenting the ultimate parent ID with the ID. Okay, so we will have this ultimate. So it will be ultimate parent code, but it will be ultimate parent code ID. This ultimate code. Okay, the right source will be user role, and here it will be once again ID, and maybe ID because interest to get the name over here. That's down. Here. And this make a quick correction here. It will be so we just like this. Maybe I can tell you the reference. So you can write the same name. It's fine. I can just solve. So instead of that, I can make use the role hierarchy. Use the role hierarchy. So it's not will be outcomes. So now I can just update this as of now. Now, of course, you know the same thing which we did over here. So basically, I take the reference of that extra part which I need to add so that it becomes visible in the UI. And that part we already checked when we were doing that one. So I will just check what is that extra thing which I have mentioned here. So here, basically from this Flatten, I need to add this schema, right? So I will just copy this schema. Okay. Just copy this schema. And I will put it in this. So here, let me download this as well. Yeah. I will just copy it in this Flatten Node. So basically, I have added this human, of course, I will make those necessary changes. So here, in my case, low light human, in the area, low light human. You save this, that's fine. And what I will do is I will upload this. So then we can cross check quickly. So we have the user role over here, that's fine. We have the platform user role, we have under the schema so that it becomes visible in the UI. That's can do our ultimate role and finally this one. Getting the ultimate role and it's the same question we faced from earlier. And finally, I'm going to do the ID with it, it's pulling in the name over here so that I can get to see the ultimate role name. Okay. So now I can just simply run this. That's because I ran the schedule. So we can get this working. So this ran successfully, and probably what we can do is we check this data set. Okay. Let me open this. And finally, we can go for the schedule. And probably here I can just rearrange all this. That's fine. Relax. So I can first have the role ID. Then I can have the name. And finally, I can have the ultimate name. Okay, that's fine. And maybe the ultimate role. And finally, it has filtered from name equal to CEO. Okay. So this name, let me just put a sales user name. Yeah, as you can see, I think I don't need to add the filter because anyhow we have a few of them. So you can see that for each of the name, okay, that is the ultimate role name which we are getting. This is the ultimate role where we are attending all those IDs the way we did previously. And for each, like sales CEO, for sales CEO, for sales like if you see whoever is the ultimate role is CEO at the end of the day, or sales senior or sales CIO. So that's something which is completely visible over here. For each of the role name, the ultimate role which we are getting is a CEO, and that's how we utilize the Flatten Node to get that ultimate role in the role hierarchy, which we already have it set up in our Salesforce. So yeah, that is the thing about this, and maybe I can save it as user role hierarchy once. Right. So yeah, that's how we achieved it, and the explanation it remains the same, like how we calculated for our ultimate pairing, that same expression. So I hope you like this, and very soon we can meet in the next month. So yeah,